Hey guys, welcome to the shop. My name is Alan Corder. I'm the owner and operator of Union Grove Machine and Tool. Today I'm just showing you a quick clip of what we can do in the shop. This is our CNC milling machine. It has 22 inches in the X travel and 16 inches in the Y travel. We will be doing a shop tour video in the near future, but like I said, today this is just to kind of show a quick part of what we can do. If you have any questions about what we can do here or would like to have something quoted, contact us at our email below. Just enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please ask and subscribe and share this video. Have a good day. This one didn't quite clean up all the way on the top, but for what these are doing, it doesn't really matter. Y'all have a good day.